Welcome to Bike Plus, your go-to channel for the latest bikes, reviews, and two-wheeled adventures. Today, we dive into the 2025 Yamaha XT250, a motorcycle that continues to prove how simplicity, durability, and adventure-ready performance never go out of style. Yamaha has kept the XT line alive for decades, and the 2025 model takes the legacy forward with subtle but meaningful improvements. Classic enduro spirit. The XT250 has always represented lightweight dual-sport practicality. Riders love it for its approachable nature, reliability, and ability to tackle both city commutes and rugged trails. The 2025 version stays true to its roots while giving modern touches that make it more refined without losing its classic charm. Engine and performance. Powering the 2025 XT250 is the familiar 249 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. Yamaha has tuned it for smooth, linear power delivery, making it forgiving for beginners yet engaging for seasoned riders. With fuel injection ensuring crisp throttle response, the bike delivers a balance of efficiency and capability. Its 5-speed transmission is geared to handle both slow trail crawling and steady highway cruising, giving it versatility few bikes in this category can match. Lightweight handling. Weighing in at just under 290 pounds wet, the XT250 is designed for easy handling. The low seat height of around 32 inches makes it approachable for a wide range of riders. The combination of slim ergonomics and predictable steering means you can confidently weave through traffic or carve your way across dirt trails. Yamaha's lightweight frame design also ensures the bike remains stable without feeling bulky. Suspension and off-road capability. The 2025 XT250 comes with long travel suspension, approximately 8.9 inches in the front and 7.1 inches in the rear. This allows it to absorb bumps, potholes, and rocky paths with ease. Add in the 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel setup, and you have a motorcycle that thrives in off-road environments. Whether it's weekend trail riding or rural exploration, the XT250 is ready to go where the road ends. Modern updates. While maintaining its rugged simplicity, Yamaha has added subtle upgrades for 2025. The bike features improved LED lighting for better visibility, a refreshed digital display with essential readouts, and slightly refined bodywork for a cleaner, modern look. These touches enhance everyday usability without complicating the bike's straightforward character. Practical everyday ride. Beyond adventure, the XT250 is practical. With excellent fuel economy, low maintenance needs, and Yamaha's legendary reliability, it doubles as a commuter just as easily as it transforms into a weekend off-road companion. Riders looking for an affordable, no-nonsense motorcycle will appreciate what the 2025 XT250 offers.